Task description, rectification action, removal and replacement of pressurized passenger window assembly at fuselage station E.G. Row 24L. Work performed. 1. Safety measures. Aircraft electrically isolated. Area made safe and access provided. Aircraft depressurized. 2. Removal procedure. Cabin trim and sidewall panel removed to access window. Dimmable window removed. Fasteners retainers removed and use 5/16 socket ratchet. Existing sealant carefully cut and window removed. Frame surface cleaned. Inspected for damage corrosion. 3. Installation procedure. New OEM passenger window. PN and SN matched. New sealant applied per AMM 5611 Roman 20. Optional. Window installed and secured using torque wrench as per AMM torque values. Check for proper seating of the pressure window from the outside. 4. Post-installation checks. Visual inspection carried out for proper seating and sealing. Functional leak check if required. Cabin trim and side panels refitted. Area cleaned and restored to normal.